Very good afternoon to all of you. So my topic is proposed topic is underutilized wild fruits for nutrition security, profiling, public health impact, and community access in Upper Brahmaputra Valley. So this is my project area, like the Upper Brahmaputra Valley. There are 5 districts, and I'm from Assam Agricultural University, and my major partners are NITI Hub and Northeast Institute of Science and Technology. As you know, the Upper Brahmaputra Valley is one of the Indo-urban, like Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot, and the bari system we have already discussed. There are community baris and the public-private baris in those areas, which is coming from long. Home dynasty, and the main problem in this area is a micronutrient deficiencies. The around 70% of the women and 68% of the children are micronutrient deficiency, many anemia. And if you, I have done my PhD in tea garden areas, and in those areas more than 90% of the women and children are anemic. So in that case, this kind of, while again the consumption of fruits and vegetables, including the vegetables, is also less. Presently I'm running one project where consumption of fruits and vegetables in the urban areas and the nearby areas we are seeing, so that is also less. So in this wild fruits, they have a great role in addressing the micronutrient deficiencies. And my project seeks to these are the project objectives: identification and profiling of 8 to 10 underutilized wild fruits in Upper Brahmaputra Valley, then spatial mapping of fruit hotspot and bari system in Upper Brahmaputra Valley. I am going to map around 100 baris from Upper Brahmaputra Valley areas through GIS mapping and remote sensing. Create sustainable harvesting and marketing model. Mainly the marketing model I want to create, because the promotion of and the demand creation should be there for using and consumption of these wild fruits is very important for the local communities. And promote consumption through community campaigns, that is BCC tools I'll be using for behavior change to consume more fruits, mainly the wild fruits, which are there. Some of them are a little bit of domesticated, some of them are still in the wild and the Indian baris. And mainly these are the methodologies: spatial mapping. I'll do the field survey for both the market survey and the household survey, mainly for the dietary diversity score of the fruits consumption I'll check, and nutrition profiling will be done. And also I'll create a digital platform. Mainly it will be open source dashboard, and we have already developed one dashboard that is called Horticulture. So which is the interface between the customer and the farmers in my present project which is going on, and where I'm trying to bridge the gap between the farmers and the customers, so that they can get a fresh fruits and vegetables. But that horticulture platform can also be used for the wild fruits in my proposed project. And community pilots, I'm planning to train 200 women from self-help groups and CBOs, and I'll be establishing 5 model women-led community value addition centers in those areas, and where the low cost methods processing methods will be taught. And awareness campaign and capacity building through SBCC model will also be there. So the same thing are presented here. This is more on the data collection, field studies, and the spatial mapping will be doing. Then the direct outcome will be the enhanced knowledge access. Then improve livelihood. Then increase consumption and demand. That is important in these areas, because the to seeing the public health aspect, this is very much important when we are talking about fruitful India. So without the health of the people, like without the addressing the micronutrient deficiencies, it is not possible. And long-term impact, obviously, the nutrition security, biodiversity conservation. Then women's empowerment will be there with the women-led centers, and it will be a scalable model. And awareness campaigns, BCC these things, BCC campaigns will be there. And these are the like social and nutrition impact through a input, activities, output and outcome and impact basis. And I'm also trying to give the all the parameters in a measurable way, because not in a vague way. During the inputs we will be doing the market surveys, and both for the household and the market survey for dietary diversity score of fruit consumption. Then spatial mapping will be done in the hotspot. I'll identify 100 birds in this project, and a digital platform will be developed for which will be using as a knowledge tool. And if there are different other tools are there in national and other level, then that can also be linked to this regional kind of message to some information tool. And data collection, survey, mapping, those will be there. Behavior change campaigns will be there in the activities. And output, there is nutritional database will be there. Spatial mapping, that is 100 berries will be will be selected based on the diversity of wild fruits and frequency of the consumption. And we're also
trying all this go to your financial.
Okay, sir. Mainly 100 berries, 200 SSGs, 500.
Earlier also you have shown that.
So then this
okay,
I'll skip.
You can skip all this.
Yeah. So
no, you skip all this.
Yes, sir.
This is also fine.
Yeah. So this is a budget around 45% will be in, around 43.7 lakhs I'm proposing for 3 years, and human resource at 45%, 10% institutional cost, and the rest are the different project activities I'll be spending. There are risks and mitigation strategies, sir. I think
yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So excellent presentation, and you have outlined the great program. But the thing is that most of the things will coming out after 3 years. But you have knowledge because you are already experienced in this area.
You have not talked about
that,
what you have done. You have written 8 to 10 wild fruits. What are those wild fruits?
Okay.
All of you. There are, even in previous presentation, he had given 3 lines full of names. You have to target some, and you're talking about scaling up.
Sir, we are already having 10.
Why did not show me? What are those 8 or 9 or 5 or 6?
Yeah.
That should be your strength, because we are not being open field to play.
Yes, sir.
We want that you have gained something, your benchmarking and everything has been done. These are the 5 candidate fruit. And please, when you are saying nutrition profiling, whether it is available online, now everything is available for most of the crops in Northeast.
Sir, in some of the part we have already done in our department, sir. Yeah.
Why you are putting that in your yay? You say that this we are going to scale up. This is the nursery thing. This is the capacity building. This is the production aspect. And these are the. You talked about the full cycle, and then we are totally confused. Sky is the limit. Then it is a mission, national mission. Ban gaya hai to.
So yeah, mapping you are doing. Mapping will be done when the information will be available, or you can generate the information through mapping.
No, sir.
Mapping after
because,
that.
Because 8, 10 identify like wild fruits we already have done in maybe in 10 years back, sir. 10 years back.
So that's those maps are available
so
with
after
you.
That, after these areas, I'll see the consumption pattern which is not done, sir. Consumption pattern and how we can incorporate that in their diet, and with the help of awareness.
Right. Agreed. You will map that.
Sir, if we don't have the demand, then it is not possible to popularize the wild fruits. They are tempting roti to lete.
Right. I am asking for that. What is your wild fruit? What are the wild fruits you are targeting?
I have here the picture.
Because why I tell you, like blood fruit is one.
Yeah, the Kuji. Yes, sir.
So now we are getting into mainstreaming of those things. So you cannot take 10 at a time. You have to limit to some number, and you have to see even what are the fresh consumption pattern, value-added products, health benefits. That's how you have to think.
Okay.
For the promotion. That is more important for the project.
This picture, Nuni, Kuji Tekera, then these are the fruits, sir. Relenia, then Mirika, then Nogatenga. These are. So these are. Again, sir, we are also doing to marketize. Suppose we are linking with the Assam tourism sector to create some exotic recipes in the resorts and the, for tourists, so that it can be like mainstream.
This is important. Your project is important, but it has been framed in such a way that the information which is already available with you, use it and get the fruits of that in this project. That is important.
So what you suggest now, sir?
I am suggesting that whatever information you have a lot of information.
Yeah.
That has to be modified or scheduled in such a manner or in an action plan that will be useful for the project.
Okay.
2 to 3 years is nothing. It's a mission. I'm telling you. For one crop, we got a mission. You got 8 to 10.
Planting, sir. We are not planting actually. We are doing the market survey where how much they are consuming. If they are less consuming as per the idea or something, then we are going to promote that with the help of like maybe like how to, one of the example I have put, if we can prepare some exotic recipes with those berries and all, then also it can be popularized.
These are many of them, ma'am. It is available in market. In Northeast market, if you go, it is flooded. It will be depending on the season it is arriving. We know about their use, their ethnic use, already medicinal use. It's all there. I am saying that if you want to promote, what is the objective of this project? So you have to take into not. I'm not saying that you should not do theoretical and basic work on that, but we want to scale it up. You are talking about marketing and further futuristic things which will happen about 20 years even. So please narrow down, make it more focused. You have done some spade working. How you are going to build upon that? Select few. Even 8 to 10 is a big number, I'm saying.
Okay,
You can narrow down to maximum 4 or 5 and see that it is across the season, year. It is available. Some in winter season, some in rain season, some in,
Okay.
So that should be a criteria and you can work on them. So that in a region when you want to make it popular and available for common people, it is like this. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like the concept of using digital platforms for connecting the different stakeholders. I'd just like to know the extent of penetration of digital mobile phones in these populations and how you see that as being a scaling solution.
Sir, that is one of the risks at digital literacy, but in most of the places the basic literacy is there, and my platform which I have already prepared, that is also very easy, so easy to operate, and because it is demands this is the interface between the farmers who are not so much literate, but we have seen they are using it very nicely. So I am expecting that can also be popularized through some local media, social media, local influencers are there. Through this we can promote this kind of fruits in different this thing.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Let's give a clap to her.